Hello and welcome to Cybernet's booth at the 2025 Air Force NDI Working Group Vendor Night. This is day 2 and we have our booth here. I want to give you a quick run through of some of the new items you may see. So our standard kit comes in a rolling case, about 30 pounds, very mobile. And we also have a quick case, 12 pounds, so you don't need all the attachments. You can bring it easier to your job site. Here's our newest addition, our trophy that CTMA presented to us, along with the Commander's Coin. That's for winning the 2025 CTMA competition. Here we have our micro markers. So this is a tight space that we can inspect now through the use of these half-inch grid panels. We have a new attachment as well. So this is a fingertip attachment. Basically, I can just slip that on my finger anywhere I can get my finger in a space and press down. I'm able to track as I go. So as long as the camera can see the attachment, you're good. Just as usual. This way, you don't have to use mirrors. You don't have to struggle trying to estimate where you are at the grid, where you've left off. The tracker does it for you. We also have a common question that we get asked. What are the most curved surfaces that you can inspect? So here's an example. Here we have an engine inlet and how we approach tracking on curved surfaces, and we split it up. So the most aggressive part of the curve, we'd use these angle brackets to basically treat that as one plane, and then we would have the other two sides of it defined with more brackets as another plane. So you can see these dots in this picture. You could actually track all the way up to almost that third dot from the top. As long as the panel is visible, as long as that marker barcode is visible, it will record the reading in those grid cells. So pretty much any part of the outer surface of the aircraft, that's what we want to be able to track. Here's our latest iteration of that kind of mounting attachment for, let's say, leading edge of a wing, the wing slat. You put this right on the slat. These top parts would cover the top part of the wing surface. These ones would cover that front end, that most aggressive part of the surface. And then we'd have one more set down below to be able to capture the bottom of the wing. I just want to thank you again for supporting us wherever you're watching this. It's an honor to be able to visit you at all your sites. I'm, again, one person. I wish I could clone myself to be able to reach more of you out there. But if you have reached out to us, I've recorded your information. I will get to you. And thank you again. Keep an eye out on our website, tracker.cybernet.com.